Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another video, and in today's video we want to talk about GMT Stepn. So this one is today one of the biggest gainers beside audio and Moonbeam. So let's check out GMT token. First, let's start here on the 4-hourly chart. And in my last video, I showed you that Stepn forming from this kind of a triangle. So you have clear support here below and resistance above. Right now, it's actually sitting right in the middle of this pattern. And in this area here at $2.26, this is was a lot of times support or resistance. So this is a very significant area. So right now it looks like that it bounced from it. Maybe we see again a retest from this line. If there's a clear bounce and a clear uptrend, then of course you can take this as a short scalp trade, maybe to this resistance line here above. But if it breaks below this one, it is likely that it will come back again in this blue box or to this support line. Overall, the actual price target from the Fibonacci retracement level would be here in this area at $2.72. But if it really breaks out of this pattern to the upside, the price target would be $3.36, and the bearish price target would be below here at $1.36. So right now it's actually a time to wait what will happen here. If you see a clear bounce to the upside, you can trade this, of course. That would be 14% max. So, but for right now I would be patient and wait. If it breaks to the upside of this pattern, that could be a pump of nearly 30%. Also, if it breaks to the downside, that should be also like 30%, 33%. So for right now, be patient, wait for confirmations. If you see a confirmation, of course, you can trade this, but this is a disclaimer at this point. This is no financial advice. I'm no financial advisor. This is just for entertainment and educational purposes. So always do your own research and your own due diligence. Guys, I think that's pretty much it for this video. Leave a thumbs up if you like this content, and write me in the comments where you're from which country are you watching my videos. So thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Smash the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Guys, thank you very much, and peace out.